Friends, so we have already discussed the properties of whole number. So based on that, I will be solving exercise 2.2 today, okay, of the whole number NCERT. The first question states, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So I have the first question as 837 plus 208 plus 363. So what is the suitable arrangement that we should do? For that, I need to just add the last digit to see if it comes 0. 7 plus 8 is 15, so it is not 0. What about 7 plus 3 gives 10? So I can easily make this arrangement as 837 plus 363, which will be done first, and to that I will add 208. So 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 3, 12, okay, plus 208. So this will be equal to 1408. So you see, it becomes very easy for me to add in this format. Let us do one more sum that is there. So B. So what is the question? 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Okay, so let me see. 2 plus 8 gives 10. So this can be one number. I will write it down so that I do not forget it. 1538, it gives 10. Plus 3 plus 7 gives 10 again. So I will write 453 plus 647. So I will first add the brackets and then go ahead. So 8 plus 2, see, 8 plus 2 gives 10 and a carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10, carry 1. 5 and 1, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. 5 carry 1, 3, 5, 00 plus 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1. 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1. 7 plus 4, 11. Now you see how easy it becomes. So I can put equal to 4600. So that is my answer, 4600. And we have the next question. Question 2, which states, find the product of by suitable arrangement. But this is multiplication. 2 into 1768 into 50. So this is A. Please number your question correctly. So here again I will see the maximum number of zeros that I get. I will work accordingly. 8 to the 16, that doesn't give me 0. So I will do 2 into 50 first. So I will do 2 into 50 first and into 1768. So 2 into 50 is 100 into 1768. That gives 176800. Next question. B. It is 4 into 166 into 25. Again, here 2 into 25, 4 into 25 is 1000. So I will do that first. 4 into 25 into 166. So this is equal to 166 into 100. Okay. 100, 25 into 4 is 100. I'm sorry, I think I told 1000. So this is the answer that comes across, 16600. Next question, C. It is 8 into 291 into 125. And here I have 125 into 8, which is 1000. Into 291. So I can have easily, I need not do a huge calculation and take a very long time. I can easily give this answer. Okay. Next, D. D, I have it as 625 into 279 into 16. So I have 625 into 16. So 25 into 4, if I do, it is 100, and then this is, so I will have 625 into 16 into 279, which is 10000, okay, into 279, which is equal to 2790000, right? Next question is E. It is 285 into 5 into 60. So I can have it as 285 into 5 into 60 can be done first. So 285 into 300. You see, multiplication in this case is there, but it is very less. I'll put 2 zeros that I have here. 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 24 plus 1, 25, carry 2, 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 85500. And question number 2, the last question F is 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. So this is well given. So I already have solved. 125 into 8 is 1000. I will do that first. And with that I will multiply 25 into 40, because I know 25 into 4 is 100. So this is 1000 into, this is 100, and this 0 comes here. So it is 1, 3 zeros I have put, 3 zeros I have put. Okay, so that is the answer of question number 2. Next, coming to question number 3. What is question number 3 state? Find the value of the following. So part A is 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. We had earlier done a video on how do we work with brackets. So in that case we have done this. So what, as 297 is common for both, what we did here, I have taken 297 outside. Then I have got 17. This symbol has come here plus 3. So it is 297 into, what is 17 plus 3? 20. So that is equal to 0 comes here. 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 9 2s are 18 and 1, 19, carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 5940. So that is the question that I have. This is basically the distributed law I am doing. So which was there in the earlier chapter as well. B is 54279 into 92 plus 8 into 54279. So here you see 54279 is same. So 54279 into, what is left? 92 plus 8. So that is equal to 54279 into 100. So this is 5427900. So that is the answer. Same thing with minus is your question number C, which is 81625. 81, let me put this number as this, 81625 into 169 minus 81625 into 69. So what this will be? 81625, which is common in both, if you see, into 169. I told this particular symbol will come here, minus 69. 81625 into 169 minus 69 is 100. I get the answer as 8162500. So you see how easy it is for me to solve this particular question, so that I do not have to do any huge multiplication. The next question is 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. So I have got this. Fine. So now in this case, what do? I have got 3845 over here into 5 into 782, and here I have 769 into 25 into 218. Now in this case, I will try to get most of these values. And now how will I get these values? I am placing it as it is, plus 768, 769. 9 5s are 45 I can get. So what if I do this? 769 into this 25 can be written as 5 into 5 into 218. So now what I will do is 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 5 I will do. Then into 5 I am getting 5 in here, and I am getting 218 over here. So let me see, 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 30 plus 4, 4, carry 3, 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38. Did you see I got the same number? Into 5, so I got here also the same thing, into 218. So here I can take this complete thing as outside, which is very common to both, and 782 plus 218. So here I can multiply this if I wish to. Presently 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 20 plus 2 22, 30 plus 2 32, 3 15 18. Okay, 8 5s are 40, 42, 19, sorry, 19225. Into, if I add this will be 1000. You can add it and check it up. So this is equal to 19225, 3 zeros. Alright. Now if you go to question number 4, it tells me in the first question to multiply 738 into 103. I can multiply 738 into 103 as we do, and then multiply this a long process. But to be smart, what do? I do 738 into, I can separate it as 100 plus 3. So I will get 738 into 100, 738 into 100 plus comes here 738 into 3. So 738 into 100, I need not do anything. And here 8 3s are 24, 2, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, 1, 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22, 2 2 1 4. If you add it up, how easy it is. Here you will get 14, 8, 10, 1, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 6, 0, 1, 4. So it is much easier, much faster than multiplying in this format. So I will do one more sum that goes on with addition. So it gives the question as 854 into 102. So this can be written as 854 into 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now what I will do, which is common, I have written, I have given the plus symbol here, first 100 and here 2. So 85400 plus 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 16 and 1 17. So this adds up and I get the answer as 87108. Isn't this much easier? Now see, 258 into 1008. It would have been a very huge calculation. So what will I do? Into 1000 plus 8. Be very careful about the zeros. So this is 258000 plus 258 into 8, which is 64 6 20. Fine. So this is 260064. Okay. Next, there is one more question, which is 1005 into 168. For all the questions I was distributing the second number. It is not mandatory. I will see which is easy for me to distribute. 1005 is easy for me to distribute. So what I will do, 168 into, I will do 1000 plus 5. So 168 into 1000 plus 168 into 5. So that is equal to 168000 plus, if you multiply this, you will get 840, which is 168840. Okay. So these are the questions that we did. There are a few more word problems that we will do in the next video. Thank you.